you think, because man, that boy seems like he's very smart. Abba seems like he's a very intellectual dude. He's a very emotionally intelligent brother. That Abba guy.
Yeah, but
he seems like a very, very intelligent man.
He's intelligent. Yeah. I mean, I used to be Abba. I used to meet him, Nando's, what, as a child.
Yeah.
Nengo, you can have a conversation.
He's a very smart
boy.
They're
very bright, smart kids.
I think what he needs is just maybe to sit down with the pups and feel like...
No, families go through a lot.
Yeah.
It's not good to judge him or judge the father. Yeah. There's so much that happens between people and within people that people keep. So when they try to express themselves...
It all comes out.
People should understand, just watch, stay away, okay? So when people are expressing themselves, they have certain pains.
Ngenda kwebaza Bebe Cool webale butayocha. Interview eyo ngenda gikuzanyira okuva gyetandikira paka gyeggwera osobola okulaba Bebe Cool. Actually Bebe Cool yasomye bulungi nnyo akatabo kange ndoza yasomye bulungi nnyo guidelines zange. Buli omu eyavaayo okubeera nga ataakinga mutabani wa Dr. Jose Chameleon Abba Makasi ng'awoza mbutu wakoze bubi okwogera ku family wakoze bubi bonna yabayisaamu eggaali neera paka kati teriyo yali azza engulu gwe genda okibuuze Kasuku genda okibuuze Furufiga genda okibuuze Anko Sendi n'abamu abeekazaakaza mbu ffe twasigala ku nsonga yaffe wagenda okukakkana nga gwabatuulamu. So Bebe Cool avuddeyo okubeera ng'ayogera ku eno ensonga ya Abba Makasi naye agyogeddeko mu nsonga eya kintu kikulu oba kisajja kikulu nti tamusalidde musango wabula abadde ku sayidi ate wano ku SMS Media n'agamba omuntu yenna yenna agenda okuvayo okwogera ku Abba Makasi ng'ali ku sayidi ye agenda mulabanga mukwano gwe neera kimanyi gye bujjako jalaba nga Abba Makasi awaana Bebe Cool bitya ka interview kano kangakuterako okuva gye katandikira paka gye kaggwera naye nga sinabeera nga kakuterako kankusaba mbe subscribing ano ku SMS Media tojja kwera ngu missing updates naddanga zino sirwani ku SMS Media nkutegeeze nti tuwelukaminga abo nabo n'abandiyagadde okubeera nga tubakolera obulango oba abaagala okubeera nga mulanga naffe tukubireko ku enamba y'essimu wansi tojja kubeera nga wejjusa bye bino.
And then you're talking about a child who is mommy's boy.
You think so?
I mean, the closest part, remember us, the fathers, we've not been around.
Yeah, facts.
We've been in the club.
Facts.
Then we come back home with the mess and everything. But then the boys are always with the mom.
Which is better. Shout out to the moms.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, shout out to the moms.
Clearly.
They're doing an incredible job.
And if me, I even push my kids to love their mother more.
Yeah. Really?
For now.
For now.
For now.
Yeah,
because she's putting a lot.
Yeah, they put in a lot. Yeah. And but
then when I grow old and I notice that stuff, I will lock all of them away. They have to love me because I've sacrificed nearly everything.
Yeah.
I think what men want when they grow up is, when they become old, is they just want to be taken care of. And they don't want to be told no. Because, I mean, when did I ever say no to my child? Yeah.
Shout out to the
monkeys.
A
lot of monkeys in here.
Yeah, we're going. I was like, what's going on here, bruv? Come on.
Yes.
Hey, they should just come and join the pod.
I know. I'll take the next time we have a pod, I'll take you down the other side to my other house.
Do you have any that you engage with? You can just bring them here and first be a part of us. But so come on, banana one. Bebe, I think really what this means